So let's look how we can use the reverse VLOOKUP from right to left in Excel. So let's look at our situation here. We have here a table with data where we have the category and the item specified. However, what will happen if I have the item of water and I want to extract now or find now the value of the category related to water, which in this case would be drink. VLOOKUP will not work, but a reverse VLOOKUP will work, but for that we're going to use index and match. So what I'm going to say here equal, I'm going to say here index, and let's start to work with that. What I will do is I will click here on the formula builder, and then we select this to confirm, to get the very first value, and then we're going to put in here array. What is the, where can we find the data? That's this column here, these two columns. Then we can say here the row number. This row number right now we're going to hard code, and later on we have to soft code this. But we know that the row number will be row number 5 here, that is matching with this column here, or this table. So we say number 5, and then the column number would be where would we like to extract the value from, column 2 or 1. In this case we want to get the drink text in here, so that is column number 1 where we get our data, and you can see the result indicates already drink. Click on done. There you are, that works. However, this is not very practical, because once I change this to apple, you can see here this should change to a fruit. And the only way to do that now would be clicking back on that and then just changing the row number to row number 1, so we get fruit for apple. So what we have to do is make basically the row numbers dynamic, and that's why we have the match here, because we know the column data already, but now we want to get the row number. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to type in match, open parentheses, click on the function or formula builder here, so we have a nice visual. The lookup value will be in this case the apple. That is the one that we want to use. Then we have the lookup array. Where can we find the value of apple in which column? For this lookup array, it must be a single column. Very important. So I'm going to select the column C from 2C all the way to 8C. Then we're going to say here match type. We're going to put in here the value of 0 that would indicate an exact match. Very important. So we're going to click here done. And once we did that, we get number 1. If I change this to water, we should see here now it jumps to 5. So what I can do now is basically get this entire formula. I'm going to copy this, and then I go back in here. Then it jumps up with the option here to adjust. I say I'll confirm that, because now the index shows us again the formula builder. We get the formula builder for index, and then here in the row number I'm going to delete everything, paste everything in there, but I'm going to remove the equal sign. That is not allowed to have. So once I click on done, we have now drink, that is row number 5. If I say apple, there we are. If I say apple juice, it recognizes it's a drink, and the reason why is because we did an exact match here. The match type is 0, so we say the value that we have here must be identical to whatever we find here. And that's it.